Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the best chili mac recipe. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll know what I am cooking up next. Now let's get started. So this chili mac recipe is simple, y'all, but it packs a big punch in the flavor department. So I'll get started by first adding a little bit of olive oil to my pan. Then I'll add my ground beef and I'm gonna brown this, and I'm also gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then once the beef has browned, I'm going to add in 1 diced onion along with green bell pepper and 1 jalapeno. And then again, I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and black pepper and cook this down until all the vegetables are translucent. Once my vegetables are soft and translucent, I'm going to toss in a little bit of garlic, maybe a lot. I like a lot of garlic in my chili mac. I'm only going to cook this though until I can smell the garlic. I'm also going to toss in my season blend, which consists of a little bit of cumin, smoked paprika, and some other things I will list below. I'm also going to go ahead and toss in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, a can of diced tomatoes, and a little bit of beef stock. Now I'm just going to stir the ingredients together well, and then I'm going to bring it to a boil, then reduce this and allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes. And then after about 10 minutes, I'll toss in about 2 cups of elbow macaroni. I'm going to make sure I just stir this in well to combine it. Then I'll cover this with a lid, and I'm going to allow this to cook for another 10 minutes or so, or until the pasta is cooked to your liking. And then once the chili mac is done, I'll go ahead and top it with shredded cheese and then cover it and allow this to melt. I like to use a mixture of sharp cheddar and jack cheese, and then I'll go ahead and garnish it with a little bit of chopped chives. Now, you don't have to use cheese. You can totally omit the cheese if you want to, or you can just serve it with each individual bowl. No matter how you decide to serve this chili mac is simply delicious. I really love this chili mac. It is one of my favorite one pot recipes. I especially like the heat from the jalapenos and all the smoky flavor from all of the seasonings. It is just so good. Well guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.